Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Ahn Co. It's Thursday, January 3rd. I'm going to go over the markets with you here for the day. You got a good push into the close for the corn market, up 4 cents on the day. Beans up 5 3/4. Wheat market actually stayed supported majority of the day, anywhere from 7 to 11.5 cents higher. Really, what you're doing is trading off some rumors that you could be seeing China come in here and buy some grain. Also, just on a technical side of things, looking like you're finding some support and bounced off that bottom level, and that's where you're getting a little bit. But really, to be honest, we don't have much fundamental news because USDA is partially shut down. Rumors are that tomorrow they will confirm whether or not there will be a January 11th crop report, so that'll be really nice to know because it does seem like maybe this partial government shutdown could last a little bit longer than expected, and so we're coming in here and just kind of waiting that out to see what happens, and with that kind of trading blind when it comes to a lot of information, so you're relying on some technical trades, and that's just coming a little bit supportive into these meat markets. A little bit of a different situation. Looked like a wave of selling into the cattle markets today. It was down anywhere from 50 to 75 cents in live cattle. Feeder cattle actually down over $1.50. Lean hogs found some slight support. Outside markets, crude was relatively quiet today, which is a rarity around here. So it was about steady to slightly higher here, being up about 50 cents. US dollar down quite a bit, anywhere 50, 60 cents lower. And then the Dow market down anywhere from 560 points. That's coming off the heels that Apple came out that they are expecting a really big decrease to their sales due to China. It does look like they're kind of losing their market share when it looks at selling in China, and that was a big deal to their iPhones. And also the fact that you are swearing in a new house right now, and now you have flipped it to a Democratic control, and that is going to give a little bit of a more difficulty to get things figured out with a Democratic House and a Republican Senate. And so that's where you find that it might be a little bit longer than you want on this partial government shutdown, and that's leading to some negativity when you look at the stock markets. Moving forward, what we're going to be watching is just really the big news is going to be whether or not USDA does decide to have that report on the 11th. They said they'd come out tomorrow, and hopefully we're able to see that because they do finalize production numbers out of that report. I do have to close with a disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk loss and is not suitable for all producers. Have a great day.